Welcome to our channel, where we simplify neuroscience for you in just a few minutes. How can we differentiate between a tickle and a poke? How do we recognize objects in the dark by merely touching them? Are we psychic? Let's find out. An object we touch can have many distinct qualities: shape, texture, motion, edges, and points, to name a few. The skin has many types of receptors that help us feel the things we touch. A receptor is a structure that can get information from the environment, which is then changed into a signal that can be understood by the nervous system. The receptors that let our body sense touch, called mechanoreceptors, are located in the top layers of the skin, namely the dermis and epidermis. These receptors sense stimuli due to the physical deformation of their plasma membranes. They contain mechanically gated channels that either open or close in response to pressure, sound, stretching, or touch. Slow-adapting mechanoreceptors continue responding to a stimulus, whereas rapid-adapting ones respond only at the onset of stimulation. This difference allows the receptors to provide information about static and dynamic qualities of stimuli. The touch receptors also vary in terms of the size of their receptive field, or the area they can detect signals from. Having several smaller receptive fields allows for better tactile discrimination as compared to fewer large ones. The more, the merrier. Our skin contains four main tactile mechanoreceptors. Merkel's discs found in the upper layers of skin are slow-adapting nerve endings that respond to light touch. Their receptive fields are small, with well-defined borders that make them highly sensitive to edges. They're densely distributed in the lips and fingertips. Meissner's corpuscles are found in the upper dermis, but also project into the epidermis. Found primarily in the glabrous or hairless skin on fingertips and eyelids, these rapidly adapting fluid-filled receptors respond to fine touch, pressure, and low-frequency vibration or flutter. Meissner's corpuscles are specifically effective at transmitting information about movement between the skin and another surface. Hence, they help us sense texture and detect if an object is sliding past the skin, an important attribute for maintaining grip. Located deeper in the epidermis near the base, Ruffini endings or bulbous corpuscles are slow-adapting mechanoreceptors that detect skin stretch and deformations within joints. Their large receptive fields provide valuable feedback for gripping objects, controlling finger precision of movement. Pacinian corpuscles, located deep in the dermis, are structurally similar to Meissner's corpuscles. They're rapidly adapting mechanoreceptors that can sense deep, transient pressure and high-frequency vibrations. These receptors can be found in joint capsules, pancreas, and bone periosteum, among others. The information they provide might be important for the use of tools. We'll leave you with an interesting fact. Some people have touch blindness due to a rare disorder called primary sensory neuropathy. It is also believed that we lose touch receptors as we age. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button, click on subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch our next episode.